Hi everybody, Jared with Tactical Ben here, and what we've got for you today is we're going to show you how to do an install on a Taran Tactical Oversized safety for Benelli shotguns. We're actually going to be doing this install on a Stoeger M3000 because they have very similar trigger groups, and a lot of the Benelli parts are interchangeable with the Stoegers. So let's go ahead and get into that install and show you how to do it. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to pull the trigger group out of the shotgun. I've already disassembled this down to the basic parts, so we're just going to go from the trigger group disassembly itself. So we'll flip the shotgun over, just use a punch, push that out. Once that pin's pushed, we'll be able to just pull it out. Set that aside, and the trigger group will just come out. There we go, there's a trigger group. So we'll set the shotgun aside, then we'll move on to the safety. Okay, so now that we've got our trigger group out, what we're going to want to do is uninstall the old safety. And to do that, there's a pin right here, right there. We're going to take our punch, we're going to push that pin out. Should be fairly easy. Once we do that, we'll take our pin, move that to the side. Now you want to keep your punch in the pin spot so that we can take and put our finger over this hole right here. If we don't do that, there's a spring that acts as a detent that's going to fly out. So we'll put our finger right over that, pull our punch. There's a small spring that falls out. Now we can remove our old safety. Now, once we've got that safety out, we're going to take our Taran Tactical and we'll slide it in right side up. And there is a way that this actually goes up and down, because otherwise it's going to rotate on you. It's not going to fit right. So we'll just make sure that the T is right side up. And then we'll take our spring that acts as our detent, slide it in. And then we're going to take our pin and we're going to slide that in just partially. Now what we're going to have to do to get this detent spring down is take our punch, slide it inside, and depress that spring. And then as you depress the spring, you're going to want to take and slide the pin forward. This takes a little bit of practice. Once you get it in though, it'll just slide in. Now, safety is functioning. Let's check to make sure it's actually functioning good. Releases the hammer. Everything functions good. So now we've got our Taran Tactical Oversized safety installed on our Stoeger M3000. Again, this is going to be the same exact install that it would be for a Benelli. If you have any questions, make sure and leave them below. And you can find Taran Tactical in the links below. And we'll also have a full review of this and the other Taran Tactical products that we'll be doing on the shotgun on our website. Thanks for watching.